You need your parts to animate first.
Add the parts of the character you are trying to animate. You can click here to duplicate a layer. You should only need one arm and one leg then. With the copied layer, flip it using the flip vertically button. Then adjust your parts to the way you want them to be. I can teach you to use a pivot point if you have something in general you need to move. Also, layers work by placing under and over one by one. Click the 3 lines to move a layer up and down. Click this to actually test out the animation. Click this once.
There should be a small circle that you can move.
Move the object you want to adjust. Tap the same icon you tapped to get the pivot point back. You should move it at the tip of your part. Drag it back to where it was. Now click the rotation button. Rotate your part to show how it would look if it was animated. Adjust your pivot point if it moves in a way you don't like. Click your effects button to actually start animating. I don't normally use oscillate, but if you want one way to do animations, that's a way. I used standard settings. Swipe to move the slider. I use an angle of around or about 90 to animate.
This is your result.
The frequency does how bouncy much you want your animation to be, and frequency does how much bounces. Click the trash to delete an effect. Click this to make your life easier. The head will be connected to the torso, so click the head after you do these steps and select your torso. The arms will be connected to the torso too and close. Now here is another way to animate other than oscillate. Click the move and transform. Place a keyframe at the start of your part. Make sure you work your pivot point by the way. Place a keyframe at the end too. Drag your part as low as you want. It may seem slow, but it will get better. This is called a graph. You can control the way on how smooth you want your animation to be basically, or yeah, you get it. Click this to bounce.
I really don't know how to explain the graphs.
Oops, my voice changer stopped working. Drag the bottom white button to show how much bounces you want. This is so rushed and I'm so garbage at explaining, so I'm sorry and I hope this helps in some way.